Hello guys, my name is Pravyadu and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you total two websites where we can create a Dofollow social bookmarking backlink. So the first website name is directorynode.com and this is the website dashboard. So for this website the domain rating is 23. So now we can start. So this is the website dashboard and you can see top of the right corner there is a register button. You can click over there. There you guys can add your username, your email ID, then you guys can choose your password. And again, if you're wanting to, so you can add your nickname and you can verify your captcha. Then you can click for the register button and you can see that your profile is registered. And after that, you can see there is add a directory button. So there you guys can add your website URL and there you can add your bookmarking title. So this is my social bookmark title and you guys can choose your category. There you guys can add your email address, your phone number, and there we can add a address and there we can going to add a description. It's asking for the minimum 250 characters. Then you guys can acknowledge the terms and conditions. Then you can verify your captcha and you can preview. Then you can submit for the preview and submit. And this is pending for the review, but it's this website moderator going to approve your social bookmarking backlink within a day, within 4 to 5 hours. Okay, so this is the process for the social bookmarking on directorynode.com and this is, I can show you, this is a nofollow or dofollow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% dofollow backlink. Okay, so now we can move forward with the next website. So the next website name is bookmarkrange.com and this is the website dashboard. So for this website you can see the domain rating is 48. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So now we can start. So you can see in the menu bar section, in the menu right bar section, there is a register button. You can click over there. There you guys can add your email address, your password. And you guys can verify your captcha and you can click for the create user button. Invalid captcha. Okay, IVORY. Okay, so our profile is created. So this is your profile landing page URL and the top of the bar there is a submit button. You can click over there. There you guys can add your website URL and you can click for the continue button. There you guys can add your bookmark title. So this is a bookmark title I have already generated and this is the tag, interview management solution, and there we can add a description. Again we can go to solve the captcha, stand and deliver. So this is a social bookmark landing page URL and I can show you this is a nofollow or dofollow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% dofollow backlink. There is no any indication for the nofollow or no referral. So today we have created total two dofollow social bookmarking backlink and all the websites URL I can provide over the description section, so where you guys can go to access easily. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details of the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's humble request you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.